The 2025 Maruti lineup brings exciting updates across various models, catering to different segments of the market. From hatchbacks to SUVs, Maruti continues to focus on fuel efficiency, smart technology, and enhanced safety features. With new powertrains, improved interiors, and modern styling, these cars are set to appeal to both first-time buyers and longtime Maruti enthusiasts. Starting with the hatchbacks, the new Maruti Swift and Baleno come with refined engines and better mileage. The Swift gets a redesigned grille, sharper LED headlamps, and a sportier stance. The Baleno, known for its premium appeal, receives advanced driver assist features, an updated infotainment system, and improved suspension for a smoother ride. Both cars retain their fuel-efficient nature, with hybrid variants expected to deliver even better performance. In the sedan segment, the Maruti Dzire continues to be a reliable choice for buyers looking for a balance of comfort and affordability. The 2025 model brings subtle exterior changes, a more spacious cabin, and new age tech, including wireless charging and an upgraded touchscreen system. The Ciaz remains Maruti's premium sedan, now with a stronger body structure, enhanced safety systems, and better ride quality. The updated mild hybrid system contributes to improved fuel efficiency and lower emissions. The SUV lineup sees notable changes with the new Brezza and Grand Vitara leading the charge. The Brezza now offers a more aggressive front design, improved ground clearance, and a panoramic sunroof. Inside, there are ventilated seats, a larger touchscreen display, and a digital instrument cluster. The Grand Vitara, Maruti's flagship SUV, maintains its hybrid options but now comes with more refined engine tuning for smoother performance. The all-wheel drive variant ensures better off-road capability, making it a strong competitor in its segment. For those looking at MPVs, the Maruti Ertiga and XL6 continue to dominate the segment with their practicality and efficiency. The Ertiga gets refreshed styling, additional connected car features, and a CNG variant for eco-conscious buyers. The XL6, with its 6-seater configuration, adds premium elements such as leatherette seats and ambient lighting for a more luxurious feel. Both models now include 6 airbags as standard, emphasizing Maruti's commitment to safety. Maruti's push for greener mobility is evident with the latest electric and hybrid models. The company's first fully electric offering is expected to arrive this year, focusing on affordability and practicality. The hybrid variants across multiple models help in reducing fuel consumption while maintaining the convenience of petrol engines. With a strong emphasis on lightweight construction and aerodynamics, these new models ensure a balance between performance and efficiency. Connectivity and infotainment take center stage in 2025 models, with features like wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, connected car tech, and voice controls. Many models now include a 360-degree camera, a head-up display, and enhanced sound systems for an immersive driving experience. Maruti has also worked on improving build quality, using high-strength steel in newer models for better crash safety ratings. With competitive pricing, strong resale value, and Maruti's vast service network, these new models continue to be attractive options for Indian